Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you love the warmth and soul of rustic homes, but also crave a clean, modern touch, you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving into the world of rustic barndominiums with a modern twist, showing you how to blend cozy country charm with sleek, contemporary style. I promise you'll walk away with tons of design inspiration that feels timeless, comfortable, and perfectly updated for today's living. So what exactly defines rustic with a modern twist? It's all about a beautiful balancing act. Think of it as pairing traditional, natural textures with crisp, modern finishes. We're talking about mixing elements like natural wood, rugged stone, and industrial metal with the clean lines and minimalist feel of contemporary design. The goal is to capture the cozy comfort of a rustic cabin while embracing the sophistication and simplicity of a modern home. It's truly the best of both worlds. Let's start with the exterior, because that's where you make your first impression. To nail this look, consider combining natural wood siding or bold timber accents with a sleek metal roof. This immediately sets the tone. Then, introduce large glass windows or even entire walls of sliding glass doors. This not only floods your interior with natural light, but also adds that signature modern openness. For a really sharp, updated look, use black or charcoal trim around the windows and doors. This creates a striking contrast against the natural wood. And to ground the design, add rustic touches like a stone or brick foundation. This combination of wood, metal, and glass is the perfect recipe for a stunning rustic modern exterior. Now let's step inside. This is where the magic really happens. To bring that rustic charm indoors, you can't go wrong with exposed wooden beams, classic shiplap walls, or furniture made from reclaimed wood. These elements instantly add character and warmth. But here's the twist. Pair them with modern lighting fixtures, like a minimalist chandelier or sleek track lighting. Use matte black hardware on cabinets and doors to add a contemporary edge. The color palette is also key. Stick to neutrals like warm whites, soft grays, and let the natural wood tones do the talking. An open concept layout is a must for that modern feel, and nothing says cozy quite like a central fireplace or a classic wood stove to gather around. Feeling inspired? Let's talk about some popular floor plans that bring this vision to life. First up, imagine an 1,800 square foot barndo featuring a grand timber frame. The showstopper? A massive glass wall in the living area that blurs the line between inside and out. It's dramatic and breathtaking. Next, consider a two-bedroom plan with a spacious open loft overlooking the main floor. This adds vertical interest and a great multi-purpose space. Pair this with polished concrete floors for an industrial chic vibe that's both durable and stylishly modern. If you're thinking smaller, a compact 1,200 square foot barndo can be incredibly cozy, energy efficient, and packed with style. Smart design choices make every square foot count, proving you don't need a massive space to live large. And finally, picture a classic barn-style home with a wraparound porch for those lazy afternoons. Inside, the rustic exterior gives way to a surprisingly contemporary kitchen with sleek appliances, an island with a waterfall countertop, and minimalist cabinetry. It's the perfect blend of traditional and modern living. To help you achieve this look, here are a few key design tips. First, mix your textures. The interplay between warm wood, cool metal, and smooth glass is what creates that perfect balance. Don't be afraid to experiment. Second, use statement lighting to bridge the gap between old and new. A modern fixture in a rustic space can become a stunning focal point. Third, lean into classic rustic touches like sliding barn doors or a beautiful wooden ceiling. These add instant character. And finally, embrace modern minimalism. Keep your spaces free of clutter to let the architectural details and clean lines shine through. A tidy space feels both calming and sophisticated. Now, you might be wondering about the cost. It's true that high-quality rustic finishes like natural wood and stone can increase your budget. However, there are smart ways to manage costs. Prefabricated barndominium kits can offer a more affordable and efficient starting point. Another great strategy is to mix reclaimed materials with new construction. Using salvaged wood for an accent wall or finding vintage doors not only saves money, but also adds a unique story and a layer of sustainability to your home. It's about being creative and resourceful. To give you a clearer picture, let's look at a few real-life examples that showcase this style. Here's a beautiful barndo that leans into a farmhouse rustic feel, with white shiplap and dark wood beams, but features huge black-framed windows and a minimalist kitchen. Now, check out this one with more of an industrial chic vibe. It uses corrugated metal siding, polished concrete floors, and exposed ductwork, but softens the look with warm leather furniture and a stone fireplace. And for those who love a mountain retreat, this lodge-inspired modern barndo combines heavy timber framing with a sleek, dark exterior and an entire wall of glass overlooking a forest. See how versatile this style can be. It's all about which elements you choose to emphasize. So there you have it. Rustic design definitely doesn't have to mean old-fashioned. With the right balance of natural materials and modern elements, your barndominium can be a warm, stylish, and a unique reflection of you. It's a style that celebrates both history and progress, creating a home that feels both grounded and forward-thinking. What was your favorite rustic modern feature we talked about today? Let me know in the comments below. And if you're hungry for more home design inspiration, be sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss our next video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.